Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya at mamuhunan. Sa kung saan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin ang gustong pasukin. Manood ka dito't paglawakin. Stratehiya sa negosyo, manood ka na agad. Mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification bell na may bagong pag-usapan. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.
Yung 30 dati. Ang ganda. Black.
Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya at mamuhunan. Sa kung saan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin ang gustong pasukin. Manood ka dito't paglawakin. Stratehiya sa negosyo, manood ka na agad. Mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification bell na may bagong pag-usapan. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.
Danger, danger. Dilim naman. Mga ruins ng yung ano nila. Tawag nito, factory. Factory yata to. So, hindi makita sa video. Sobrang dilim. Ito, bunker nila. So, Dunlop. Tire stock.
Competitor namin.
Ano yun?
Our competitor.
Dunlop.
By Continental.
Wala eh. Walang naka-continental dito. Ayun. Ganda. Pang German to na ano ah. Ano mga German ano to?
Pang ano? Tricycle.
Military Humber. British din pala. Victory car. Humber stock car. Ganda. 5-star. Victory car.
Coventry could rebuild itself after the Luftwaffe bombed the old medieval city.
The rebirth of Coventry Cathedral, considered
As early as the 1920s, those medieval streets, some of the best preserved in Europe, were already being torn down. Why? Because you couldn't fit a car through them. What worked
City
in
of
the
Coventry
Middle
Planning
Ages didn't work
Department.
for the 20th century. So the Blitz was a disaster, but it was an opportunity too, a chance to build something new. The man for the job was Donald Gibson. He was made city architect in the late 1930s, just 29 years old, and he came up with a plan for a new Coventry. It was
yung
bold,
kanina,
it was fresh,
yung
and
sa
it had
right
one of
side,
Europe's
yun yung
first
ano,
traffic-free shopping areas.
bagong cathedral, no?
With the full backing of the government in London, this would be Coventry's chance to rise from the ashes of war. The city centre is testament to Gibson's vision.
Oh,
But
ganda
Gibson's
no.
plans were never fully carried out. And in the late 1950s and 60s, edgy concrete designs replaced Gibson's airy ideas. Meanwhile, a mighty ring road was being built. After all, car ownership per head was higher than anywhere else in Britain. For Coventry, the future had 4 wheels. Of course, not everyone liked Coventry's new look. And perhaps these days, those modernist buildings
Tawid pa
don't
palang
look quite so
Germany.
much like the
France.
future.
No, tawid
Some
lang.
people say Coventry should be looking to Europe. In fact, to Germany. You see, Coventry's twinned with Dresden, which got even worse treatment from the RAF than Coventry did from the Luftwaffe. Then found itself in East Germany with Soviet architects for 50 years. But then, Dresden decided they'd rebuild a lot of their 18th century city centre as near to the original as they could. Like this. And you can't deny it's pretty. But it's history, not progress. Restoration, not innovation. Is that a sacrifice worth making? It's a tough call. So what would you have done in 1945? Decided to live in history? Or tried to make it?
Kaya na tayo, balik na tayo.
1945. Peace at last. Coventry could rebuild itself after the Luftwaffe bombed the old medieval city. Mind you, the Luftwaffe did have a head start. As early as the 1920s, those medieval streets, some of the best preserved in Europe, were already being torn down. Why? Because we moved calm.
Daimler, limousine. Oh. Ganda na. New city will rise again from the ashes and dust left behind it. The spirit which citizens probably showed on the night of the November 14th of kindly reborn in the hearts of our people today. Then we shall indeed see the fruits of peace. Oh, Standard Vanguard. Oh, may kotse na. 1948. Ganda na. Ito naman. Ang cute. Standard 8. Cute na. Armstrong. Sidley Whitley. Ganda na. Ito Triumph. Ito Super 10. Triumph sports car, meron na. 1954.
Still, the British car industry was thriving. Between 1962 and 1964, it built more than 1.8 million cars. There were 370,000 of them.
Ano yan?
This was the finish of British car making. The thing about anything, sir, is that once you reach the
Britain Sports.
only way you can go is down.
South America. Okay, next. Sunbeam. Hillman Mix Singer. See?
1945.
Ito, ganda no?
Peace. Coventry
Eagle
being rebuilt,
bicycle.
and the car
Armstrong
industry
said
was rising. The government was providing cheap steel. War factories were available for car building. There was no competition in battle-torn Europe, and business was good. In fact, by 1950, the British car industry was second only to the USA. 3/4 of the cars were exported, some even to Sweden.
1960s
Just
na
over
na
half the
bicycle.
world's exported cars were British. And Coventry was a boom town. People flocked from all over Britain to work in its factories,
Ang galing
earning
Triumph.
great wages. But nothing lasts forever. By
Hinati
the
na.
50s, American companies could meet their own country's demand for cars. Then they started to eat into the British market through their UK operations. Ford and Vauxhall, General Motors
pinadati.
British brand, took nearly a third of the market in 1952. With that kind of competition, British builders had to pull together. That year, the Nuffield organisation, made up Morris, MG, Riley and Wilson cars,
Ito yung Porlon natin. Triumph naman po gusto sa Porlon.
BMC had pulled 40% of the British
1969.
market, enough to hold on to the
1970. In 1965. Galing ice race. Ayan. Rover. Rover. Ito, sports car na. GT6. GT. Ayun, ganda. Triumph Star. Ito yung 77. Oh, ganda na ng motor. Tayo may big bike na. 750 cc. Do not cross. Shall picket line. Bago ko kuya. Bago. 1972. Ano ba? Road service. Daimler. Triumph na naman. Oh, ang ganda na. Oh, may back step na. Ano? Dito yung mga Toyota Corolla dati. 1983 pala. 1980s na pala yung mga back step. So, bago na. Pidgeot. Radio car. Engine now. 4-cylinder. Pidgeot engine.
That several thousand jobs are being lost at the Triumph works at Camden. The news came as a shock to the factory workers.
At this moment in time, it's essential that we concentrate our
diesel.
if that's possible. But it's very difficult given the current policy.
1954.
In terms of being able to say, I can
Diesel
fix
engine
everybody
na.
else, no chance.
Diesel engine. TS3. Commercial vehicle. TS3 cylinder. Cylinder this piston. May diesel na 1954. Used 90 and power outputs were increased over its production. When the Roots Group was taken over by Chrysler. Chrysler parang nag-ano. Ito naman. Hillman. Parang Mercedes yung design.
Ford decided to cease production of Jaguar cars at its grounds main site.
Peugeot decided to call it a day. They will stop British car
Daimler.
production next year. The company is blaming high costs at Brighton near Coventry, where over 2,000 workers will lose their jobs. Union leaders have effects on the local economy could be dreadful.
The mid-60s saw Coventry car making at a peak, a towering 370,000 cars in 2 years.
Taxi. TX4 taxi. Ang ganda. Ang laki. Ang laki. Mas 10 minutes. Raleigh. Meron ng Raleigh. 1984. Yan na. Diner. City of Coventry Industrial Museum. Singer band. Crown Bakery. Ito yung delivery service sigurado. Aray ko, sakit na likod ko. V8 engine. Lakas nito. Yan. Ang delivery. Basket. Police car. Midland, West Midland Police. Ambulance. Fire truck. Ayan dump truck nila dati oh. Jaguar, Daimler, fire truck. Ito oh. 6 wheel. Galing. Ano yan? Armored car. Ay, ito ang ganda. Amber pig. Ito ang ganda oh. Liit lang. Oh, ito. May pangkanyon. Daimler Scout car. Scout car pala ito. Ganda. Hillman oh. Ayan, power tractor. Meron din pala silang pang ano, Massey Ferguson. Ganda no, laki. Laki ng tractor nila. Ferguson. ng mga bus. Gala, na-preserve nila to, no? Double deck bus. Oh, tagal na pala. 1953, may double decker na. Daimler. Daimler double decker. Yun, pang tour. Sky blues. Oh. Ito yung pang bungkal. Traktoran nila. Oh, ito na yung hinahanap ko eh. Ayan oh. Pang camp. Van life. Van life. Eva Subek. Subek ba yun? Labas mo na. Kain muna tayo.
Tapos na.
Saan ba?
Tapos na naman natin. Para dala-diretso na tayo. Uwi. Saan ba? Kakain. Dito
Wait.
tayong bar museum.
Bar?
War Memorial Park.
Pili kaya ito.
Please touch. But please touch.
Hindi naman. Magkano lang pala yan. Ayun oh, ano nila dati oh. Telephone eh. Mayday. We're under attack. Aray ko. Sabi hanggang ano pa daw? 6th floor? Oh, grabing toys oh. Toys pa more. Ito yun na yung planning nila. Pag dito, yun ang iilaw. Longman. Ito, dami. Dami po. Valve engine. Huwag dyan. Shortcut ka eh. Dito. Shortcut. Yun okay. Pinataya yung chassis. Ganun din. Evolution ng bike din to. Ang ganda na, oh. May shocks na, oh. Suspension na. Full sus na. Oh, tindi. Oh, road bike na. $19.10 monthly storage horsepower. Ito na mga race car. Kayang pa rin. Electric car. Oh, may electric car na. 1987. 1987. Electric car. Brand new.
City Wheels.
City Wheels. Guling. Yan, race car ng ano, TR7. Triumph 1976. In America. Yan. Pidgeot. Okay. Hillman Aeromax. Jaguar. Ayun, Jaguar, oh. 150. Ferguson. Baba nito. Electric vehicle din. 1820s. Saan model? Electric car. Ang galing. 1820s ba? Grabe, heatsink yan, oh. Look at the heatsink. Ang liit. Ang liit. Pang-unano. Yan, ang evolution ng ano. Ano yung cars na develop yung ano. Aerodynamics nila. Ganito. Ito nasa likod yun. Yan, oh. Yung dinesign nila ito. Itong red. Doon, in-apply nila doon. Ito nata. Hindi nata yun. Design. Okay. Baltic. tinago nila sa likod.
Ang ganda daw.
Hindi nila yun ano. Tinago nila. Turbo. Talbot. Talbot. Ang ganda mo sa likod. Kaya nila tinago niya. Ayaw nila ipakita sa madlang people. Yun, Concept Group International. 8 stages of car model development. Sketch phase, vehicle package and layout, clay model. Ito na yung clay model. Clay model presentation in the body color, model scanning, hard model production, painting of the model, model presentation. Oh, ito na yung model presentation. Ang galing. Ayan, ang big bike ni Andrew, oh, Triumph. Ganda. Rebits. Rebits lang pala to. Kung ano nila, grabe ang rebits. Rebits pa lang yung paano. Ito naman, seats. Shunun. Lear Corporation, Bill. Lear.
The recent addition of Guilford Performance Textiles to our vertically integrated surface material strategy has allowed us to expand our product development and offerings in both automotive as well as non-automotive markets.
Ang ganda.
Through a rigorous operating model built on a robust quality metrics and commitment to advanced manufacturing technology, major advances in efficiency and product improvement have been achieved. The addition of leather finishing to our vertically integrated product offerings in 2006 has brought significant growth potential while reducing timing and cost in many areas, from improvement in supply chain coordination and control to overall seat development timing, quality, and craftsmanship.
Lear, no, British.
With a focus on process optimization and advanced employee training, best practices like the in-house yield monitoring system software have been developed to electronically monitor high.
Ayan na yung Jaguar. Jaguar. Kaya siya, no? Ano lang Jaguar? Siya nga ang ano ng Jaguar 1935 William Lyons. Ito siya.
Mga high school teachers ko nagpo-comment
Saan?
sa ano, post ko ng ano.
No.
Booking na teachers
Hindi naman nila alam na teacher mo yung nag-comment.
yung mga ano, kaklase,
Yan, no?
mako-confirm.
Ganda, no? Ganda, no?
Ay, Jaguar din yan.
Jaguar yan. Look at the symbol.
1950.
Tsaka pulidong-pulido pagkagawa. Ganda. Jaguar to lahat. Ayan. Pati ano, leather. Jaguar leather. Mga pang ano to eh. Pang high-end tong ano nila eh, design nila eh. Jaguar mark. Oh, ganda. Ito na B. Ganda. Jaguar E-Type. Ito na. Jaguar Daimler Heritage Trust. Two. Hey.
It's just a phenomenal piece of machinery. Great proportion. Almost aeronautical in its purity. One of the fastest cars ever made for the time. It was probably one of the most fascinating Jaguars ever built. And we only built one.
I was looking at 13 as the lady. She's perfect shape. All the curves are in the right places. And when I walk in, the first thing I do is just go over and say hello and talk to them. Just a girl in there in their face. They're on to change the regulations for the engine size and put it down to 3 litres for that many good reason. It would have walked along so much
Ito.
The XJ30 was put to one side while the company got on with its future. And so it lost its moment. It lost its moment, it was gone. But we will always default to that car as being one of the most beautiful Jaguars ever. The XJ30 is a great inspiration to us as a design team. And so when we were asked to design something to celebrate 75 years of Jaguar, I said to the team, well, let's be inspired by something that we recognise from within. Through that, we
Bye-bye,
developed
Jaguar.
the CX-75. To me, the design process, very impactful.
Ito. F1. F1 car. Jaguar F1. Yan. F1. Yan, pangalan niya F1. Oh, F1.
Akala ko Tamiya.
Ayan na naman siya. Siya ba yung baho?
John Arnold was known to phone the Beaufort household. Can it come over and bring us thirst? So you've got some particularly good wine. You both of them enjoy it, so
Ito, may race din ng ganito dati. Ito. May racing din na ganyan. Yan, dami nilang panalo. Collection of cups. Trophies. Fidget. Pinfall. Bicycle. electric na pa-up. Conference. It's not that. Sa taas. Sabi niya madami.
Saan ka? Ako bubungso.
Ano nga. Mag-ano ka na? Outro ka na.
That's the Coventry Transport Museum. Bye!
Yung mga spaceship. Ito yung sinasabi ng mga spaceship na turbo for men.
Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya't mamuhunan. Sa kusan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin ng gustong pasukin. Manood ka dito't paglawak, strategiya sa negosyo. Manood ka na agad, mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification bell na may bagong pag-usapan. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.
The only option they had was tandem stagger. Well, it worked, so what they did,
Yan.
the whole thing, they recreated.
Yan na yung ano ni
Winning
Trump.
trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Halika na't pasukin ang matuto sa larangan ng pakikipagpalitan ng ideya't mamuhunan. Sa kusan mo nais o gustong palaguin, aralin ng gustong pasukin. Manood ka dito't paglawak, strategiya sa negosyo. Manood ka na agad, mga oportunidad matutunan dito sa vlog. I-like and subscribe, dito may pagkakakitaan. Click the notification bell na may bagong pag-usapan. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay. Winning trades, kasama't kaagapay. Manood ka't makinig, aasenso ka sa buhay. Tara dito sumabay, halika na't sumakay. Winning trades ang mahusay, winning trades ang matibay.